You gotta say what you're doing.
Trying to put this cylinder head back together. Just put a new piston ring in here. And a new piston. And piston rings, that's what I mean. A new piston and piston rings. How much weather be getting some pussy? What I'm doing. Oh, I didn't really hear that in there.
I love you too.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I was gonna put this on Facebook, but
I just said that for you couldn't. Put that over there so you see the shit like this nigga put an engine. Oh, he put a foot. That's a 200cc. Get that thing over there. I need something to pop up under here.
the toolbot.
Yeah, anything. No, just something out of it.
Yeah.
I need that plastic bag too.
Is that gonna work?
You
gonna say what you're doing now?
Yeah, I'm putting the cam back in.
They trying to get everything done before surgery day.
That's exactly what I'm trying to do. You got me. For sure. 180 proof. Bless you, baby. But I bought.
We make great videos, but you're not saying one thing about what you're doing.
Because, you know, I really don't like those videos when people talking. And then we're working with the church of ministry, and then, now we just putting this bitch together. Of what we remember what to do.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say my name is Tamara. What's your name?
Ow.
What's your name?
Okay.
I can't hear you. Hey, big head. What's your name?
Hello.
You don't know your name?
Hello.
Say Moosty. Say what's your sister's name? What's your sister's name?
I know.
You do too know. TT? Say TT's my sister. Go ahead, TT, put them on.
Okay.
What? Yep, have TT put them on. You got it all the timing set?
Yep.
That's all there is to it.
No.
Oh, okay.
Fuck no. I wish you would. I'm gonna need you to hold this thing down for me. to this time and chain tension.
Get out of the pantry, Tia.
Ahead of myself.
You go grocery shopping, these kids think they gotta eat all the junk food up in one damn day. This don't make no damn sense.
Yes. I like junk food.
Say hi, my name is Tia.
My name is Tia.
And how old are you, Tia? And how old is that?
Quit playing great. How was that?
How old are you?
4.
3. You're not 4 yet. 10 more days and you'll be 4.
More days. No. It's Tia. Kaka, Kiki.
Get out of that pantry, Tia, man. You ain't getting nothing to eat right now. Get out of there.
Okay.
Tamara, I'm recording it.
Tia.
You can't. I can't move my hand.
Tamara, stop. Time and chain around. So. Can't let this motherfucker fall, this chain fall down in here. I don't have a fucking problem.
Looks like you're having a problem right now.
I'm in good standings right now. You gotta hold this down now.
Okay. Oh, you need my help? The screwdriver?
Yeah, hold it down.
Am I holding it down right?
Yeah. It ain't you. I just gotta get it.